So we have a closed cuboid which has a length of 12 centimeter, the width of 7, and the height being 5 centimeter. We are to find the total surface area. This is WASSCE 2024 September edition. So let's see if we can make a sketch of how this cuboid will look like. So now we are saying the length is 12 centimeter, the height is 5 centimeter, and the width is what? 7 centimeter. Not drawn to scale. So let's have it this way. To find the total surface area, we are asked to find the net of all the faces. The face here facing you have the replica at the back. So there are two of these. The one on top have a replica down, left and right. So if I want to find the area of this, it will be the length times what? The breadth. Meaning there will be 2 of the length times what? Breadth. In this case, we are using the width, which is the same thing. Then if I look at the top, I'll be having the so the face facing us, the area is length times breadth, right? And this breadth is taking the name of a height. Meaning this and its counterpart will be 2 of the length times what? The height. It's not length times height, but it's length times breadth. But the height of the cuboid is the breadth. Alright. Then plus, I have to find the area of the top, which is going to be length times breadth. And that is actually the length times breadth. So that will be 2L times what? B. Then let's go to the left. The longest side, length, breadth, meaning height and what? Breadth. So I'll be having 2 of such height times what? The breadth. Look at it. 2, 2, 2. B in front. We can take that as a common factor. So total surface area become 2 into bracket LH, LB, and HB. So we get those substitution of which the values will represent, meaning 2 into bracket the length, which is 12. Let's bring this. So 12 times the height, which is 5, plus the length still remain 12. The breadth is 7. The height is 5. The breadth is what? 7. So let's do the multiplication and see. This means that I'll be having 60. Is that 84, right? And 35. Okay. Let's maintain the 2. If we want to add these 2, that will be 95, 84, 9, and that 179. Let's multiply 179 by 2. So 2, 9, that will be 18, carry 1, 14, so 15. So this is going to be 358. So therefore, total surface area will be 358 centimeter square. And which of the options will best describe that? That will be the option C. And I guess with this question, you are able to revise on how to find the total surface area of a cuboid. The step by step. If it is closed, the word is closed, meaning all the net will be used in finding the surface area. If it is open, it means the top is gone, only the bottom. So the top that we have here will be only LB without 2LB. All right, thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.